Hi guys, this is Derek. Welcome to my channel. Here we see is a plugging in forklift bucket. It is quick attached. There are two hydraulic cylinders, 1.6 meters, 1.8 meters wide, or large capacity can be optional. It is suitable for all hydraulic forklifts. You just need to tell me the length and the thickness of your forklift's fork. We can customize buckets of different capacities for you. This plugging in bucket is a quick replacement bucket. In addition to this plugging in bucket, there are also mounted buckets. If you want to know more about these buckets and mounted buckets, please contact us. The quick attached hydraulic interface. We can install teeth for your bucket, which will be closer to the functionality of the loader. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Please follow my account. Thank you.